Imagine a day like any other on a planet ruled by giants. For over 170 million years, they were the undisputed masters of Earth creatures of immense power and size. Then, in a blinding flash, their world ended. Not with a whimper, but with the violence of a cosmic collision. This isn't science fiction. This is the story of the Chicxulub impact the day 66 million years ago, when a 10-kilometer-wide asteroid rewrote Earth's history and ended the age of the dinosaurs. What did that day look like? And what shocking truth does this ancient apocalypse reveal about our world today? Welcome to Deep Dive. First, let's meet our main characters. The word dinosaur itself comes from Greek, meaning terrible lizard, but our understanding of them has evolved dramatically since the first fossil was named in 1841. Early drawings, like those of the Megalosaurus, were almost comically inaccurate. Today, thanks to over 10,000 unearthed fossils and the discovery of about 45 new species every year, we know they were a diverse, dynamic, and often feathery bunch. From the bizarre, blade-tailed stegoros of Chile to the planet-shaking giants. They were nothing like the slow, swamp-dwelling monsters of old movies. Their story begins not at their peak, but in a world where they were the underdogs. Our story starts 230 million years ago in the Triassic Period. Earth had one supercontinent, Pangaea. The first dinosaurs, like the dog-sized Eoraptor, were small and lived in the shadows of truly dominant creatures, giant reptiles. Everything changed 201 million years ago. Pangaea began to rip apart in a paroxysm of volcanic fury. This Triassic-Jurassic extinction event wiped out most large competitors. Why did the dinosaurs survive? A key advantage: many were warm-blooded, better equipped to handle the wild climate swings than their cold-blooded rivals. This cleared the stage for the Jurassic Period, the era we all know from film. Dinosaurs grew to colossal sizes, and some even took to the air. But their true golden age was next. Enter the Cretaceous Period 6 million years ago. This was the dinosaurs' world in full, glorious bloom. The continents shifted toward their modern shapes. Flowering plants appeared, and diversity exploded. This was the time of T-Rex, Triceratops, and the gargantuan Argentinosaurus. Think about this. We are closer in time to the last T-Rex than that T-Rex was to a Stegosaurus from the Jurassic. They ruled a vibrant, non-grassy world for over 80 million years. 66 million years ago. An asteroid traveling at 30 kilometers per second, 150 times faster than a jetliner, slammed into what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The energy released was equivalent to 1 billion Hiroshima bombs. The immediate effects were hellish: a thermal pulse that ignited continents, mega tsunamis, and global quakes. But the true killer was the long winter. Trillions of tons of dust and soot were flung into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for over a year. Photosynthesis stopped. Plants died. Herbivores starved. Then the carnivores. In this nuclear winter, any land animal larger than a dog, essentially all non-avian dinosaurs, perished It was the end of the Cretaceous and the end of their world. But from the ashes, a new opportunity arose. The extinction of the giants created an opening. Small, scavenging survivors, lurly mammals, birds, turtles inherited the earth. This is how our own ancestors got their chance. And the dinosaurs? They never fully left us. Modern birds are their direct descendants. Yes, that means the closest living relative of the mighty T-Rex is likely the chicken. This event was Earth's fifth mass extinction. Scientists now warn the sixth is underway. The cause is us. It's called the Holocene Extinction. Due to habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change, species are vanishing at 100 to 1,000 times the natural rate. The parallel is a chilling one. Just as the asteroid S-power lay not just in its impact, but in the long-term chain reaction it triggered. Our greatest threat isn't a single act, but the systemic collapse we're causing. The dinosaurs' reign lasted an astounding 174 million years.